It's been 2 years since we moved to Canada. I love living in a nice house with my dad and my new stepmom. She is really nice to me. She does my hair and she teaches me to cook really delicious Caribbean food. This year, our entire family is going back to Ghana where my father was born. My mom used to make the most delicious pumpkin soup. But since she died, no one has been able to top her recipe. And here in Canada, pumpkins are for trick-or-treating. When I arrived to Ghana, I started to feel sad because everyone kept asking me if I was going to make my mom's recipe, and I don't know her recipe. That night, I had a crazy dream. I dreamt that I was being chased by Halloween pumpkins.
Don't worry, my child. You had everything you need inside of you all this time. You just had to come home.
Just when the pumpkins were about to get me, my mom appeared and handed me a piece of paper with her secret recipe. I woke up and went to the market with my auntie, and we got pumpkins and all the ingredients that we would need. The most delicious pumpkins in all of Accra. We peeled and chopped and chipped and cooked everything into a stew. And then I added a secret ingredient that my stepmom had taught me. Let's go! Let's go! Yay! My soup was a success. Everyone in the festival said that my soup was the best. Make sure and get yourself a bowl.